I'm Wendy Cettina, and this is my sewing studio. This is where I sew for myself and where I see clients, and when I see clients, which I'm not probably seeing any. But I have my dress forms with some potential ideas on them. This is Maria, from my friend's mom. My machines, over here, my sewing machine inserter, and my pressing area. And then I have all kinds of fabric everywhere on the shelves and on the floor and here. I'm on my pegboard with all my tools, which I love. It makes me feel organized.
Uh-huh.
There's my pegboard.
All right.